let's learn how you can redeem a code on Steam. So this is your main page on Steam application. You want to click on manage account. So click on new username and then click on account details. Now you want to go and click on add funds to your Steam wallet. And then you will see right here, redeem a Steam gift card or wallet code. So Steam wallet code, this will be the place where you paste your code. You just need to click on continue and you will get your funds using a Steam redeem code. Now, if you want to redeem a game, you can just activate a product on Steam and you will see here, enter your product code. So this blank place is a place for game code. You just want to copy paste here and click on confirm and you will get your Steam key. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.